Hi, to activate Raise the Wake feature on Redmi Note 14 Pro, you just need to go in your phone settings and here find Lock Screen tab. Now after you selected it, you should see many features from which simply choose Raise the Wake and take a look at the switcher. If you can see that it is gray, then feature is disabled and you cannot use it. If you want to enable it, just tap on the switcher so it will light up blue. And now we can simply raise the phone to wake it up. So let's try this out. I'm gonna lock it and now just raise. And yeah, you can see that it is working. Let's try this out again. Let me lock it and raise. And yep, it's working. As you can see, I'm not pressing any buttons. I just raised it and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.